Today we are gonna fix ChatGPT error in message stream problem. Let's start. The first solution is using VPN. Sometimes this kind of problems can be regional. In this case, using a VPN will solve the problem. To add a VPN to our browser, we need to open our browser and search for Chrome Web Store. After searching for Chrome Web Store, we open it. After opening Chrome Web Store, click on the search bar and search for VPN. After searching for it, you can add any VPN to your browser. I am not gonna do this because I have a VPN program. If you have also a VPN program, you can connect to it. After connecting to the VPN, you can check if the problem is solved or not. Also, don't forget to like the video. If the problem is not solved, we will move on to the second solution. The second solution is changing DNS. If our DNS causing issues, changing it will solve the problem. To change our DNS, we come to the search section and open control panel. After opening control panel, we click on view network status and tasks. After clicking on it, we click on our connection and then open properties. In the items list, we select IPv4 and then click on properties again. After clicking properties again, we tick the second option for DNS. After doing this, we set preferred DNS server to 8888 and alternate DNS server to 8844. This DNS belongs to Google and it is completely safe to use. After setting our DNS, we click on OK to apply the changes. We have changed our DNS server. Now, you can check if the problem is solved or not. If the problem persists, we will move on to the third solution. The third solution comes from Reddit. Someone shared that using Brave and its private mode have solved the issue. So you can download Brave and try to fix the problem. You can also try to use for own model until the problem is fixed by developers. We have come to the end of the video. I hope one of these solutions fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to like the video. You can also subscribe to my channel to support me. Take care and see you in the next video.